Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends and welcome to the next lecture. So let's start now. Physics 9, chapter number 1, physical quantities and measurement. First, the hollow cylinder acts as a dash nut. The hollow cylinder acts as a dash nut. Next, a thimble has a threaded dash on its spindle. A thimble has a threaded dash on its spindle. Next, as the thimble completes one rotation, the spindle moves how many millimeter along the index line? 1 millimeter. As the thimble completes one rotation, the spindle moves how many millimeter along the index line? 1 millimeter. Next, what is the distance between consecutive threads on the spindle? 1 millimeter. What is the distance between consecutive threads on the spindle? 1 millimeter. Next, what is the distance between consecutive threads on the spindle called pitch? What is the distance between consecutive threads on the spindle called pitch? Next, what is the pitch of screw gauge? 1 millimeter. What is the pitch of screw gauge? 1 millimeter. Next, how many divisions are present on the thimble? 100. How many divisions are present on the thimble? 100. Next, what is the least count of screw gauge? 0.01 millimeter. What is the least count of screw gauge? 0.01 millimeter. Next, what is the least count of screw gauge in centimeter? 0.001 centimeter. What is the least count of screw gauge in centimeter? 0.001 centimeter. Next, what is the relative size of a small molecule? 1 nanometer. What is the relative size of a small molecule? 1 nanometer. Thank you friends. Keep watching and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.